Squarespace Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we're reviewing the Squarespace Affiliate Program, a great opportunity to earn commissions by promoting one of the most popular website building platforms available. Links to the program and product are in the description, so be sure to check them out. Squarespace is an all-in-one website builder that provides beautiful templates, e-commerce functionality, blogging tools, and built-in marketing features. It's widely used by entrepreneurs, small businesses, creatives, and professionals who need a sleek and professional website without coding experience. The Squarespace Affiliate Program offers a high commission structure with up to $200 per sale or a percentage of the first payment made by your referrals. Since Squarespace is a subscription-based service, this can mean significant earnings, especially when users opt for higher tier plans or annual subscriptions. The cookie duration is 45 days, giving you a good window to convert leads into paying customers. The program is managed through Impact Radius, where you get access to tracking tools, performance analytics, and marketing materials to optimize your promotions. One major advantage of promoting Squarespace is its strong brand reputation. Many users are already familiar with the platform, and its high-quality design templates, built-in SEO features, e-commerce capabilities, and drag-and-drop editor make it an easy sell. Compared to competitors like Wix, Shopify, or WordPress, Squarespace offers a more streamlined, all-in-one experience with built-in hosting, security, and a user-friendly interface. This affiliate program is ideal for bloggers, content creators, digital marketers, and YouTubers who target business owners, creatives, and online entrepreneurs. If your audience is interested in building websites, selling online, or launching portfolios and blogs, Squarespace is a highly relevant product to promote. The freemium model and free trial help with conversions, as users can explore the platform before committing to a paid plan. Overall, the Squarespace Affiliate Program is a great choice if you're looking to promote a trusted, high-converting product with great commissions and a reputable brand. If you want to start earning, check the links in the description and sign up today.